Get ready for the dictation. The dictation will start after 5 seconds. Start. It is charged in the indictment upon which you were convicted, said the court to the prisoner, that on the 30th of November 1887, aided by a gifted accomplice who recently pleaded guilty, you obtained by false and fraudulent pretenses money and property of the value of $9,500 from F.M. Parker. In order to secure this extensive plunder, you made Parker believe that you were the owner of certain real estate in this city, to which you knew you had no more title than you have to the United States Mint, and for this he paid you $3,000 cash and conveyed his own farm in Oregon worth $6,500. This was all that Parker had in the world for himself and family, but you fleeced him out of it and left him destitute. Indeed, so far as it is known, you seem to have taken fiendish delight in their distress, and up to this moment have not offered to make restitution of $1 upon the proceeds of this infamous swindle. You have attempted to escape responsibility for your crime, but a jury of your own selection, looking fairly into the case, found you guilty. The verdict is among the most notable triumphs of justice in our state, for it put an end for a long time to the career of the dishonest gang of which you were the successful leader. In this case, however, as I said in passing sentence upon one of your confederates, I repeat here that the statutes now in force provide no adequate or suitable punishment for your transgressions of the law. Parachange. The heaviest penalty which the court may impose can not be deemed severe, since the offense of stripping a whole family of their fortune by false pretenses is but a misdemeanor in California. But to offset this manifest mistake of the legislature, it appears that you have yourself opened the way to a neighboring state prison immediately upon receiving the deed of Parker and wife to their homestead in Oregon. You hastened to that estate and sold the farm for half its value. In making the deed to the new purchaser, you went before a proper officer and in the acknowledgment denied that you had a wife in California, well knowing that in the former state it would require her conveyance also to make a valid grant. Full stop.